Roof repairs can totally throw you off when new ridge shingles look way different from the old ones. And yeah, that mismatch can be super frustrating. When you're dealing with roof fixes, especially things like replacing ridge shingles, try to get clear on what's going to happen before the work starts. Ask your contractor if they can match the colors or styles, but keep in mind that exact matching is tough because shingles fade differently over time. If you want a cleaner look, sometimes it's better to replace the whole roof or at least the entire ridge line instead of just a small section. Also, make sure the contractor checks the shingle dye lots. If they come from different batches, colors won't match, even if they're from the same brand. Clean off any moss or debris first, because that affects how shingles look after repair. When plumbing vents or other roof elements need trimming or fixing, getting those done at the same time can save money and headaches later. And don't forget to ask for pictures or updates during the job so you're not surprised by how it looks when it's done. One of the biggest mistakes with roofing repairs is expecting new shingles to look exactly like old ones because weathering changes color and texture over time. Trying to fix this means either accepting some mismatch or replacing more of the roof. Another common problem is not clarifying with contractors about color matching or shingle style before work begins, which leads to disappointment. Always have that conversation up front. Lastly, people often forget about dye lots when buying shingles, so if you don't get them from the same batch, colors can vary a lot. Solution: insist on matching dye lots or plan for a bigger section replacement. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without all the stress. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for quality work, making the whole process smoother on both sides.